What's up, guys? We're on our way to save a bird. Let's go save it.
Stop.
Okay, so we arrived just to find out we went to the wrong place. So now we're trying to find the nearest bird hospital, but there's none nearby. Bird update, it's still live and it's pooping.
Okay guys, so we're just checking on the bird. So we're heading somewhere about 15 minutes away. Came to a place, but it turns out it's at a sickness. So my mom is cold, and apparently it may have a concussion, so we have to keep it as still as possible. And that may mean holding it still while we drive. The only one up to that right now is the driver. Open the window! Open the window! Mitchell, I told you not to! Stay put! Mitchell, grab it! Grab it in the box! Put it in the box! Put it in the... Mitchell, it's hurt! Put it in the box! Mitchell! Pull over! Pull over! Pull over! Pull over! Get in the box! We're crying! I can't reach that! Mitchell, pull over! Pull over! Take the right lane and pull over! Take the exit and park! No, please!
No one move.
I'm recording! We're taking the camera! Oh my god! What were you thinking? What were you thinking? Mitchell!
What do we do? Red light, Greg.
No, Mitchell, grab it!
Greg!
Grab it and put it in the box, Mitchell! I'll get ready to close it!
Hold on.
Go!
I can't get my... Greg! Box! Close it!
Boxes are everywhere! I think it's
Okay, after that traumatic experience, we finally got in, and now we are closing in on the location.
Mitchell, I told you
So
not to. Why
we
would you
hope
do that?
it's still alive,
Contain it.
but
No, then why did you open it?
Because I
It
didn't
lost a
expect
lot
the
of
thing to go
feathers.
crazy.
Greg said it was walking around and